This is Sheena Sheboggin reporting to you from Fox 25 News. Today I'm going to introduce you to my new pet. His name is Charles. He's my pet horse. Today we're going to show you who Charles is, and we're going to ride Charles. Let's go meet Charles. This is Charles. Charles I got from Yugoslavia, some lost colony in Mars. Charles is a horse. Charles' favorite food? Spaghetti. Now we're going to go ride on Charles. Charles, giddy up! I just fell off my horse, Charles. You mean little Charles. I had to go to the emergency room. I had to put on this ugly red cast. I would have much preferred a black cast, but they didn't have any. My ex-rival, Big Bird, stole the last cast.